Hello everyone. So on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm going to talk about an innovative idea called theme-based attendance from new age teaching techniques by the innovative teachers of Uttar Pradesh. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is Helen Keller from NCERT Class 5, Chapter 15. The subject is English and the time duration for the activity is 20 minutes, but also depends on the strength of your class. So the innovation is to use attendance as a medium of learning in the classroom scenario. That is, the student need to reply a word from the chapter or a story instead of saying present sir or present ma'am. The concept is to revise the vocabulary and first form of verb. So for this activity, teacher needs to inform student that today we are gonna take attendance in a very interesting way. You don't have to say present sir or present ma'am. Instead, you will reply a word from the chapter you have been taught. When your roll calls are called out in a classroom. So teacher calls out the roll number 1, and the roll number 1 stand up and says stayed. Then teacher calls the roll number 2, and the roll number 2 stand up and says dearly. So the sewing process will continue until all the students respond. Then conclude that in manner that they will remember the new words and first form of the verb through attendance. This innovative idea is student will learn to answer coherently in written or oral form to the question in English based on day-to-day life experiences, unfamiliar story, poem heard or read. They will use meaningful, grammatically correct sentences to describe and narrate incidents and for framing questions. This will enable the student to form sentences in simple past tense and make them practice in daily conversation. This activity ensures the active participation of the student in the classroom scenario, which is a key aspect of peer learning. Core life skills that can be included are decision making and critical thinking. The values that can be touched upon are politeness and good manners, acting in socially acceptable ways. From choosing words from the chapter and replying to the roll calls would enhance the memory of children with learning disabilities, and they will also understand the meaning of the word. It will also increase the patience level of the children with ADHD and autism as well. As they will have to wait for their turn. It will also improve the understanding and response time of children with learning disabilities. For this innovative idea, that's all. I hope you like the video. If you want more interesting videos from us, then please like, share and subscribe our official channel of ZIIEI. You can download our official ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. That's all. Thank you.